Hello guys, welcome to Smart Hustle TV, where we teach you guys how to earn money doing simple tasks. Today we'll be looking at how you can add your email to your PayPal. So guys, I'm on PayPal now, and just follow through as you watch as we add our new email to our already existing profile. So the arrow is facing where you have the drop down menu button. Then you go over to your email and you click the update button there. And then you click the plus sign that is also there. Then you see an option to add your new email to it. You add your new email to it. And then the email has appeared, but you need to confirm it. And you receive an email from PayPal telling you that you should confirm the email if it's correct. So you go over to your email to confirm the new email address. You click the confirm button. You'll be redirected back to PayPal account. You log in with your password from your original PayPal email. And once you're done with that, you click the drop down menu and go over to your personal information. And under your personal information, you find the new email attached to it, and you can also use that to do other transactions. To get more tips from this channel, please click the subscription button so that you can get more tips on how to earn money. Bye for now. Thank you.